everyone. Welcome to Dhan Ki Baat. My name is Rohit Singre. We have been seeing again some cuts on the Friday session, particularly in both the indices, Nifty Bank, after having some sort of pullback. So, if you look at the weekly chart of Nifty, we have been seeing a positive close with gains of 1%, compared to the last week. But on the Friday session, we have been seeing some sort of profit booking, which again put a dent on the overall setup. So I think the structure still looks bearish. As such, we are trading in the lower top, lower bottom formations. If you can see now, the lower top, lower bottom, lower top, lower bottom. So the structure is still going on, and until and unless we are trading, until and unless we are trading below this level, which is 15,600 odd level, so the structure will be bearish, and 15,600 would be the level that one should look for on the higher side for the positional setup, I'm saying, where we can see a good buying comes in, and then we may touch to the previous high. So 17,600 will be a trend changing level on the higher side. Until we are trading below that level, the structure will be bearish. Some sort of supports we may get now. If I talk about the support zone, yes, 17,100, 17,000 are on immediate basis are good support zone, and once we see a breakdown below 17,900 zone, then we may see more profit booking comes in. So as of now, structure is still not convincing for the bulls right now, because we have been seeing selling pressure, heavy selling pressure from the higher side. So structure is still not bullish for Nifty. It's still bearish. It's still a cautious stance one need to add up for this for the time being. And like I said, once we cross about 17,600 on immediate basis, as per the data till now, we may see a trend changing level. So I think right now structure for the Nifty is bearish. Now let's look at Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank again, we haven't seen a positive close for a week, but if you look at in here, base, it is trading near a strong base. If you can see, these are very good support zone for Nifty Bank, and it is trading near the support zone, which means that a strong support for the Nifty Bank is lying somewhere around 35,500 odd levels, and until it is holding above that level, we may see some sort of sideways to a positive momentum, in particular Nifty Bank. But Nifty, structure still looks cautious. Nifty Bank may see some sort of sideways consolidation to the positive bias. So I think Nifty Bank is not looking that much weak as Nifty, but yes, we may see some sort of consolidation move, because positive move only above this level, which is 37,000. 37,000 on the higher side can lead in a positive move, and then we may see a very good move in Nifty Bank on the positive front. So 37,000 will be the level on the higher side one should watch for a positive move. Till then, we may see some sort of consolidation moment in the Nifty Bank. So that is the view for the Nifty and Nifty sector specific action. Again, still a bearish. If you look at the Nifty Auto, it has bridge double top sort of pattern. So again, structure not good. Even Nifty FMCG, most of the sector structure still not so good, one can say. But so rather than discussing sector specific, one should look for a stock specific moment also. So stock specific, we have been seeing a good moment. So let's discuss in today's DKB stock specific action. The first stocks which is on my radar for the coming week would be Jindal Poly. Now, if you look at the particular stock, it has been the previous breakout. Now, symmetrical triangle breakout has been seen. Breakout has done previously also. Now the follow-up action has been witnessed. And look at the volume activity. Strong volume activity has been seen. So on the immediate basis, 1100 would be the immediate base for the Jindal Poly, followed by somewhere around 1000. So 1100 are the fantastic supports for the Jindal Pali, and those who are holding the particular stocks, definitely they can hold so with keeping trailing stop loss below 1100 on closing basis. And let's say if these levels are held, one can see a next move towards 1200 1250 levels. So Jindal Poly would be the first stock that I would be keeping radar on. The next stocks which is on my radar is Reliance Industrial Infra. Again, the same sort of structure has been witnessed. Look at the volume activity. A dryness in the volume, and after again the volume spike has been witnessed. In the particular stock. So I think going forward, So I think going forward, we may see some sort of a positive moments in Reliance Industrial Infra, because it has been witnessed a positive breakout with a strong volume. So this is my second stock. Now let's talk about the level. So on immediate basis, it has a good support somewhere around 740, followed by 710. So 740, 710 are the fantastic support. Those who are holding in, they can definitely trail their stop losses as per the support zone. And let's say if these levels are held, then we may witness next move towards somewhere around 850, 900 odd levels. So this is my second stock I would keep a radar on. The another stock which is on my radar is La Opala. Now again the breakout has been seen. It crossed its previous resistance, and again the volume activity. Look at the trend. Every time it is crossing its previous high with volume, some sideways movement, again positive. So I think the positional structure looks positive out here. Now support zone 350 is the immediate support. Those who are holding in, they can keep their trailing stop loss at 350, and let's say if these levels are held, then next move towards 400 will be possible. Another stocks which is on my radar, which has given a fantastic breakout, is AB Cap. Now if you look at in here, there is a descending channel was going on, and it has given a breakout with the volume activity, strong volume activity. So I think AB cap looks convincing, looks very good at the moment. On immediate basis, it has a support of 110, followed by 100 rupees will be of positional support, one can say. But those who are holding in AB capital, they can on immediate basis trail their stop losses to 110. And let's say if these levels are held, then we may see next leg of move towards 125, 130 odd levels in near to short term. So AB Capital looks promising. GMR Infra has given a breakout from the flag pattern, if you can say. So I think one should look for GMR Infra also. They can keep a radar on. A flag, bullish flag has been breakout done. One need to wait for a follow up action here. We need to cross above these highs, then it will get active. So I think 4350 will be the level that we should look for the this particular buy, and that time one can keep the stop loss of 41, which is the immediate support. Or those who are holding, they can keep their stop loss of 41, or somewhere around 40, 39, 50 are the fantastic supports for the GMR Infra. So I think stock specific action are still there in the market. So rather than focusing on the sector where we may not see a good action going forward, or we may see some sort of a negative action going forward, one should look for a stock specific action. So we have discussed Jindal Poly, Reliance Industrial Infra, Lao Pala, Aegis Capital, not Aegis Capital. Let's look at the Aegis Capital also. Aegis Logistic, my mistake. So if you look at in here, after a consecutive downtrend, it has given a breakout, and after a breakout, some sort of consolidation, and then fresh breakouts. And look at the volume. So I think a typical structure has been formed on immediate basis. 240 is a very good base, and holding about 240, we may inch toward 262, then 282 levels on the higher side. So Aegis is all set to move northward after a consecutive downtrend. Then we have discussed AB Capital, GMR Infra. The last stock I wanted to discuss out here is the Gujarat Alkali. Again, after a strong profit booking, it has started going up with the volume. Again, the dryness in the volume has been seen, and with the positive candle, we have been witness a strong green candle out here. So I think Gujarat Alkali also can keep a radar on. So I think, like I said, sectors are not so wow, but yes, stocks looking very good at the moment. Even Nifty, I have shared my view. Nifty Bank, I've shared my view. So I think these are the stocks, a specific action that one should look for the short term to a positional perspective. Uh, Thank you so much for watching this. One can use the mentioned level for their trading perspective. If you have the existing longs position in the stocks we have discussed. So thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.